Good morning. I'm going to start you off once again with this map. It's going to be a handy one for us this morning because it's able to show both the clouds and fog. So we have low-level clouds, which means that we have our mountaintops. Foggy conditions for you because you're stuck in the clouds. But you can also kind of begin to see before some of those clouds pushed in that there was a little bit of river valley fog as well developing in those spots in Jackson County that previously had clear skies. So we kind of had this twofold factor: mountaintop stuck in the clouds, fog for you. Some of our valley locations near water also getting a little bit of that foggy start. But certainly across our area, I would say overall it's mostly cloudy. So do expect this cloud cover during the morning time. But remember, we'll have that partial clearing for the afternoon. Now, temperature wise right now is 48 degrees in Cleveland, 50 in Athens and in Murphy. Chattanooga, though, it's mild out there. 61 degrees. Fort Payne, you're at 60. That's right around where our normal high would be for this time of year, and you're getting it during the morning time hours. Wind from the south-southeast at 5 miles per hour. So you probably know when you're starting off mild, you got wind from the south. It's going to be a warm day ahead, and that is what we're expecting. 73 for your high temperature today, generally across the entire area. Highs from about 67 to 73. Tomorrow we're looking at highs in the 60s, back up to the low 70s Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday still in the 60s, but at least you're in that kind of that upper end of the 60s. It's really not until Sunday, so our day 7 of the week, that we're back down to a high of 60 degrees, which would be our average for this time of year. So overall, certainly a warm week ahead when we're thinking about this kind of first full week of March. We're also going to have a couple of days with some rain chances too, with a little bit of active weather. So for today, we're looking at just a 10% chance for a spotty shower. Kind of the big wave is going to happen Tuesday p.m. to Wednesday morning. So that's one system that's going to come across our area, bringing us the likely chances for rain, even a couple of embedded thunderstorms. Thursday will be quieter again, and then our second kind of big system of the week is going to happen Friday p.m. until Saturday morning. So both of these kind of set up for the evening into the morning time hours, and then on Sunday that 10% chance as well. So I started off showing kind of that high-res local view with those low-level clouds, but I wanted to show you a little bit of a big picture for the current setup. We have this low-pressure system off the North Carolina coast. The one that we're eyeing next, though, is this one in the middle of the country. There's not a lot associated with it right now, but that will be changing over the next 24 hours as it gets closer to our area. So for your Monday, the morning time clouds, that little bit of that fog as well, and we're seeing a few spots of a couple of sprinkles or a light shower here or there. But notice for the afternoon how that kind of clears out, so you're going to get more blue sky and sunshine. Partly cloudy skies overnight. As far as tomorrow, it's a big day. It's election day. We're looking at a couple of stray little sprinkles during the morning time hours, but if you're heading out to vote, don't see as much of an issue for the morning. The afternoon into the evening, kind of the end of the day voting, though, that's when we're going to have more activity with the rain and that thunderstorm potential. That'll continue even into the overnight hours. Notice that timestamp. This is early on Wednesday, still getting all that activity. Then that system pushes through. So Wednesday afternoon, you get wind from the north, but just that limited chance at that point. Then for Thursday, overall, looking like a pretty nice day. You get the mix of sun and clouds and not very much of that green showing up on the map. So for Tuesday p.m. through Wednesday morning, about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall is expected for our area. Back to today, 73, the morning time fog, the afternoon partly cloudy skies, and then tonight 54, partly cloudy and quiet. And then for tomorrow, 66, the p.m. showers, even that isolated storm threat. And then on Wednesday, then we're looking at a high of 71, rain in the morning time, not so much for the afternoon. Thursday, you get the partly sunny skies, and then that second system of the week is going to be Friday evening into Saturday morning.